Hello students, now we are going to see subject English grammar lesson number 9 pronoun. Pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you. They are some pronouns. Define pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. I. Now we will learn about I. First sentence is Ria is a girl. This is in this picture we can see this is Ria. When we use I, when we talk about myself, we use the pronoun I. Here Ria is a noun, so answer will be I am a girl. So instead of Ria, we have used pronoun I, and with I we use helping verb am. Ria is a girl. I am a girl. Ria has a flower. Here Ria is a noun. So I have a flower. Instead of Ria, we have used I. Ria has a short hair. Here Ria is a noun. I have a short hair. So instead of Ria, here we have used pronoun I. I have a short hair. I pronoun is used whenever we talk about myself. And with I, we always use am. Me. If I am speaking about myself, I will use pronoun me. Me is an object pronoun. This is Rahul. Mother is giving pencil to Rahul. In this picture we can see mother is giving pencil to Rahul. This is Rahul. Mother is giving pencil to me. Rahul is on object place. So we are using pronoun me instead of Rahul. Me is an object pronoun. Object pronoun comes after verb. Giving here is a verb. After verb, the word comes, we use object pronoun, that is me. This is Rahul. This house belongs to Rahul. This is Rahul. This house belongs to me. Here Rahul again is on object place. So we are using object pronoun me instead of Rahul. Here belong is a verb, and after verb the word coming we use the object pronoun, that is me. This is Pinky. Pinky is giving flowers to Ria. In this picture we can see this is Pinky and she is giving flowers to Ria. This is Pinky. Pinky is giving flowers to me. Ria is on object place. So we are using object pronoun me instead of Ria. Object pronoun we use always at the end. We. We means plural. Pooja, Raj, Rahim are friends. Pooja, Raj, Rahim are going to park. Here in this picture we can see Pooja, Raj, Rahim. In we can see I plus other. Here Pooja and other we are talking about. I is singular, we is plural. So person who is speaking and others also include, so we use we for it. Pooja, Raj, Rahim are friends. Then here Pooja, Raj, Rahim are going to park. Here Pooja, Raj, Rahim are noun. So we will use we. So we will use we instead of Pooja, Raj, Rahim. Pooja, Raj, Rahim are friends. We are going to park. Pooja, Raj, Rahim are going to school. Pooja, Raj, Rahim go to school by bus. Here in picture we can see Pooja, Raj and Rahim are going to school. They are going to school by bus. So here Pooja, Raj, Rahim are nouns. Instead of Pooja, Raj and Rahim, we will use the word pronoun we. Pooja, Raj, Rahim are going to school. We go to school by bus. Here the person who is talking and others also include, so we use the pronoun we. Raj, Rohit, Rohan are friends. Raj, Rohit, Rohan are playing football. Raj, Rohit, Rohan are friends. Raj, Rohit, Rohan are playing football. In this picture we can see. Here Raj, Rohit, Rohan is a noun. Instead of it, we will use a pronoun we. Raj, Rohit, Rohan are friends. We are playing football. We have used pronoun we instead of Raj, Rohit and Rohan. We is a subject pronoun. So it is coming in the beginning. Us. Us is a object pronoun. Ria, Sia, Tia are sitting in class. This class belongs to Ria, Sia, Tia. Ria, Sia, Tia are sitting in class. This class belongs to us. Here Ria, Sia and Tia are nouns. Instead of them we have used pronoun, object pronoun us. Object pronoun always comes after a verb. Here belong is a verb. After verb we are writing object pronoun, that is us. Ria, Sia, Tia are writing. These books belong to Ria, Sia, Tia. Again Ria, Sia, Tia are the nouns here. Instead of noun, we will use object pronoun us. Ria, Sia, Tia are writing, these books belong to us. Us is a object pronoun. Here belong is a verb. After belong, the names are coming. So we will use object pronoun, that is us. These water bottles belong to Riya, Sia, Tia. These are water bottles. These water bottles belong to us. Riya, Sia, Tia again here are noun. So instead of noun we are using object pronoun, that is us. Object pronoun always comes after a word verb. Here belong is verb and after it's coming object pronoun us. Us also include myself. You. Begin. We use you pronoun person who are listening. The person who are listeners, we use you pronoun. Sneha, come here. Here we are telling Sneha to come here. So Sneha is here a listener. So we will use Sneha is a noun. So instead of noun we will use pronoun you come here. You is on a subject place. So we will use here. Riddhi, bring the books. Here Riddhi is a noun and Riddhi is a listener. So instead of Riddhi, we will use pronoun you bring the books. Riya, collect the gifts. Here Riya is a noun and Riya is a listener. So instead of Riya, we will use pronoun you. You collect the gifts. We use pronoun you for one person and we can also use pronoun you for more than one persons also. You, plural. Sneha and Priya come here. Here, Sneha and Priya both are the nouns and both are the listeners. So, when we are talking about more than one person, we also use you, pronoun you. So, we will use instead of Sneha and Priya, we will use the pronoun you come here. Sneha and Priya bring the books. Here Sneha and Priya are noun and they both are listeners too. So we will use you instead of noun. You bring the books. Riya and Pooja collect the gifts. Here Riya and Pooja are nouns and they are listeners too. So we will use instead of Riya and Pooja, we will use pronoun you. We will use pronoun you. You collect the gifts. You. end. These shoes belong to Ekta. You here is a object pronoun. These shoes belong to you. Ekta is a noun and it's in a place of object. So we are using these shoes belong to you. Instead of Ekta, we are using object pronoun, that is you. Object always comes after a verb. Here belong is a verb and after verb Ekta is coming. So we are using object pronoun you. Teacher likes Priya. In this picture we can see teacher likes Priya. Here Priya is on object place. So we will use object pronoun you. Teacher likes you. Instead of Priya we will write object pronoun you. Like here is a verb and Priya is on object place. Mother loves Rohan. In this picture we can see Rohan is on object place. So instead of Rohan, we will use object pronoun, that is you. Mother loves you. Loves is a verb and Rohan is on object place. So we will write mother loves you. Object always comes after verb. You. These books belong to Ekta and Ritu. Here, Ekta and Ritu are more than one. So, we will use and they are on object place. So, we will use pronoun you instead of Ekta and Ritu. These books belong to you. You is an object pronoun. Teacher likes Priya and Riya. Here both Priya and Riya are on object place. So we will write object pronoun you instead of Priya and Riya. Teacher likes you. Like is a verb and Priya and Riya are on object place. After verb, a word comes, it is on object place. So we use object pronoun you. Mother loves Raj and Ritu. Mother loves you. Raj and Ritu are on object place. So instead of Raj and Ritu, we will use object pronoun, that is you. Loves is a verb and Raj and Ritu are on object place. So we will use object pronoun you instead of Raj and Ritu. Object always comes after a verb. Here is a verb and after it the words coming are on object place. Now we will learn about he. He is used for a boy or a man. He is used for a singular. He is a subject pronoun. This is Samarth. Samarth is 6 years old. In this picture we can see a boy. His name is Samarth. And here it's telling Samarth is 6 years old. So Samarth here is a noun. Instead of Samarth we will use he. This is Samarth. He is 6 years old. we have used he in a place of a subject because we are talking about Samarth. Samarth is a good boy. Samarth is playing with ball. Samarth here is a noun. Instead of Samarth, we will use subject pronoun, that is he. Samarth is a good boy. He is playing with ball. Samarth is strong. Samarth has an orange ball. Samarth is strong boy. He has an orange ball. Here Samarth is a noun. Instead of Samarth, we have used subject pronoun he. He is used for a boy or a man when we are talking about one boy or a one man, one person. He is a singular. Instead of writing the same name, we will use the pronoun, subject pronoun he. Now we will learn about him. Him is a object pronoun. This is Rohan. Mother likes Rohan. This is Rohan. Mother likes him. Here Rohan is in place of object pronoun. After verb, when comes, it's a object pronoun. Like is a verb. After the word like, Rohan is coming. So Rohan is a object pronoun. So we are using him instead of Rohan as an object pronoun. Vishal and Rohan are playing. Vishal likes to play with Rohan. Here we can see Vishal and Rohan are playing. Vishal and Rohan are playing. Vishal likes to play with him. Here Rohan is on object place. Playing is a verb. So playing is a verb and after play the word is coming, the Rohan is coming, it's in object place. So we will use object pronoun, that is him. Rohan is sleeping. Mother likes to sleep with Rohan. Rohan is sleeping. Mother likes to sleep with him. Here, sleep is an verb and Rohan is on object place. So, we will use him as an object pronoun. Instead of writing Rohan, we will use Rohan is sleeping. Mother likes to sleep with him. Him is used as object pronoun. So, it is used in last. Now, she. She is used for one girl or for one woman. She is singular. We use she pronoun for a girl or a woman. She is a subject pronoun. This is Sonali. Sonali is beautiful. This girl name is Sonali. Sonali is beautiful. This is Sonali. She is beautiful. Here Sonali is noun, is in subject place. So we are writing she because we are talking about Sonali. Sonali is a girl. So we are using, instead of Sonali, we are using she. Sonali has wore yellow frock. Sonali has short hair. Here Sonali is on subject place. Sonali has wore yellow frock. She has short hair. So instead of writing Sonali, we are using she pronoun. Sonali is happy. Sonali is eating ice cream. Sonali is happy. She is eating ice cream. Here Sonali is a noun, and instead of noun we are using a pronoun that is she. We use she for a girl. When we are talking about one girl or one woman, then we use the word she. Her. Her. Her here is a object pronoun. Pooja likes chocolates. Please give chocolates to Pooja. Here we can see chocolates. Pooja likes chocolates. Please give chocolates to her. Pooja here is on object place. So we are using object pronoun that is her. After word comes, then we use the object pronoun that is her. So give here is a verb and Pooja here is on object place. So we will use her. Pooja and Megha are in garden. Megha is playing with Pooja. Here we can see Pooja and Megha are in garden. They are playing. Pooja and Megha are in garden. Megha is playing with her. Here Pooja is again on the object place. So we will write her instead of Pooja. After a verb, when comes a word, then we use object pronoun. Here playing is a verb and after playing Pooja is coming, so we will write her. Pooja likes pink dress. This dress belongs to Pooja. Pooja likes pink dress. This dress belongs to her. Here Pooja is again on object place. So we will write her pronoun. Here belong is a verb. After verb a word come, then we will use a object pronoun that is her. It. It pronoun is used when we talk about animal or non-living thing. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. Here in this sentence we are talking about cow. This is a cow. It gives us milk. Here cow is an animal. So we will use subject pronoun it. Instead of cow, we will write it. John has a cap. The cap is blue in color. Here we can see John is having a cap and it is blue in color. John has a cap. It is blue in color. Here cap is a non-living thing. So we are using pronoun it instead of the cap. The cap is on subject place. So we are using subject pronoun that is it. Meena has a cat. The cat drinks milk. In this picture we are talking about cat. Meena has a cat. It drinks milk. Cat here is an animal. So, as I have told earlier, we use it when we talk about animal and non-living thing. So, instead of writing the cat again, we will use subject pronoun it. Meena has a cat. It drinks milk. it. Here it is a object pronoun. This is a bench. Students sit on the bench. Here we can see a bench. So bench here, it's on a object place. Sitting here is a verb. Sit here is a verb. So after verb, when word comes, then we use with object pronoun, that is it. This is a bench. Students sit on it. So we have used it object pronoun in last. The bench is brown in color. Students take care of the bench. The bench is brown in color. Again, the bench here is on object place. Take is a verb. So after verb, when word come, we use object pronoun, that is it. The bench is brown in color. Students take care of it. We are using it pronoun as it last because bench is on object place. We are talking about it. Students keep books on the bench. Students eat lunch on bench. Students keep books on the bench. Students eat lunch on it. Here bench is again on the object place. So we are using it. Eat here is a verb. After verb, a word comes, then we will use object pronoun, that is it. They. We use they pronoun when we talk about more than one person. They here is a subject. When they is spoken for the third persons. When we talk about more than one person, we use the pronoun they, whether they are present or they are not present. Raju and Ronak are brothers. Raju and Ronak are twins. Here in this picture we are speaking about Raju and Ronak. So Raju and Ronak are on subject place and we are talking about more than one. So we will use the pronoun they. Raju and Ronak are brothers. They are twins. Raju and Ronak are on subject place. So we are using subject pronoun, that is they. Richa and Reshma are friends. Richa and Reshma play together. In this picture, we are talking about two girls, that are Richa and Reshma. Richa and Reshma are friends. They play together. Richa and Reshma are on subject place and we are talking about more than one. Richa and Reshma are more than one, so we are using subject pronoun they. Pooja and Megha are getting ready. Pooja and Megha are going to picnic. Here we are talking about Pooja and Megha. Pooja and Megha are getting ready. Here Pooja and Megha are on subject place and we are talking about more than one. So we are using they as a pronoun. They are going to picnic. Them. We use them when we are talking about more than one person. Them here is on object. Children respect their mother. Mother loves children. Here we are talking about more than one child. Children respect their mother. Mother loves them. Instead of children, we have used object pronoun, that is them. When a word comes after verb, here love is a verb, and after verb children is coming, so we are using object pronoun, that is them. Pooja and Megha are coming to park. Mother is taking Pooja and Megha. Here we are talking about more than one person. Pooja and Megha are more than one. So, and Pooja and Megha are also on last. That means they are on object place. So, Pooja and Megha are coming to park. Mother is taking them. Instead of Pooja and Megha, we have used a subject pronoun, that is them. Ritu and Rashmi are listening to stories. Here we can see girls are listening to stories. More than one girls are there. So we are using. Grandmother is telling stories to Ritu and Rashmi. Here Ritu and Rashmi are on object place. Ritu and Rashmi are listening to stories. Grandmother is telling stories to them. So we have used object pronoun, that is them. And telling is a verb. After verb a word comes, we use object pronoun in that case. That them here is an object pronoun.